Hello, everyone. So excited, so thrilled to be in this class of big data. I have one slogan, which I want you to retain as we move on in this big data class. It goes like this: IT. You may say IT or it. It may depend. So if you're from information technology, that's called IT or information technology. But for me, it stands for Inspire Today. You're going to be inspired through this course where you will gain a hands-on experience from a well-known teacher, a known lecturer, and a student. I consider myself to be as a student because I love to learn, and I love to learn I love to learn from somebody who is really give me hands-on practice. So IT stands for Inspire Today, or like Daddy, keep it. Inspire today. Keep it. Inspire today. So we looked at big data. So what is big data to you, and how this big data is going to help you to achieve your goal? Think of the big data all over the world. Do you have a Facebook account? You are in the big data. Do you have a YouTube application in your phone? You are in the big data. Do you search some data from the Google file, Google search engine? You are in the big data. Have you ever imagined or wondered, in 60 seconds means in 1 minute, I repeat once again, in 1 minute, the amount of data are being generated in 1 minute? For instance, Google is able to produce 3.8 million searches in 60 seconds. Look to the Instagram. Look to the WhatsApp. WhatsApp, the people that are able to share the content or the message that being processed 28 million in 60 seconds, my dear. So huge, so huge. Now, how are we going to handle this massive data? The main purpose is to get the meaningful or the insight from this data so that we can be able to have a better decision. Inspire today. Eat it, make it. Now, this is the data generated. These are the data which are generated every 60 seconds. Now, what is a big data? Big data refers to a vast amount of data that is too large and complex to be processed and analyzed using traditional data management tools and methods such as RDBMS, MySQL, name them. So we are not able to process them. Now we look to the characteristics of the big data. So big data offers includes, we look at big data, it's always include data from various sources, which can have a different forms such as a text, numbers, image, and more to happen. So the key concept is 3 V's, which are volume, velocity, varieties, and velocity. So we are going to look to the big data jargon, important to help you settle in the world of big data. I bet you, if you don't get where you want to be in the big data, please call me, text me, pin me. Now, first jargon. Think of a retail chain. I named this retail chain as 2Z Retail. It's looking to optimize its operation and enhance the customer's experience using a big data. They want to make data-driven decisions and improve their business or shopping experience. Now, they need to ask 3 people. The first one whom they need to ask to enhance this shopping experience is data engineer. Second, we want to ask data engineer. They want to ask data scientist. They want to ask data analyst. These are the heart, the lungs of big data. If you understand the data engineer, data scientist, and data analyst, then you are set, you will know where do you want to be in this big data world? Now, what does this retail chain want? Whom do you want? They need everyone. The question is, what each and everyone do, or what each and everyone will help this retail chain to maintain or to have the enhanced customer experience. Look at this. They want to have the data-driven decision so they can enhance them. Now, first one, who is a data engineer? A data engineer is always known as a database administrator. They help and maintain the databases. They're also known as a data architecture. And data scientists. The data scientists are known as a data managers, or they are also known as statisticians. These are the one who takes the data which come from data engineer, and they are going to process them using statistical aspect. Data engineer, they collect data from different databases, and they are going to store them in a proper place, such as Hadoop, or let me name a few, because we shall see them. Another one, we have a data analyst. A data analyst is also doing something called data visualization and also data reporting. Now you understand who you are. You may want to be a data analyst, you want to be a data scientist, you want to be a data engineer. You need to choose whom do you want to be. Data scientists, they work with predictions such as machine learning or data sciences. They come down there. Data engineer, they work on big data, Hadoop, or Cloudera, all these things which need to store massive data. Data analysts work on Tableau, different reporting tools, they need to do it. But all these jargon, they associate to each other. You cannot be a data analyst unless you become a data engineer. You need to know where data is coming from. You can't be a data manager without having an understanding of a data engineer. So data engineer is the first one to know, or to first leg to settle you into the world of big data. So this is the very beginning of our courses. We will look more in this course. Don't miss the next part, where we're going to introduce the big data, and we understand how a data engineer can work with the massive data, can be able to tackle the velocity, can be able to work with the variety of data. We'll meet in the next class, and don't miss it. Thank you, and keep this in your mind. Inspire today. Are you inspired? Yes, I am inspired. If you are inspired, let's do this. Let's do this before we go. What do we do before we go? If you like it, thumbs up. If you like it, thumbs up. If you feel like you enjoy this presentation, this class, also like it. We will meet in the next class. There we meet.